Get slide up transition in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get slide up transition in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Here you can see I have opened up the YT Create application, and this is one of my project which I want to edit. Now you can see if I want to add the slide up transition, all I have to do is to tap on the transition icon, and now you can see I have different transitions. I have to find out the slide up transition. So if I scroll down this list, so I will find the slide up option. So all I have to do is just tap right here on this slide up option, and you will be able to see that this effect will be added to my video. So all similarly you can do slide right, you can do slide left, and you can do slide down effect. And this is how you can easily add transition of the slide up. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.